At divorce, a couple may need to split up their property. Dividing cash is straightforward, but dividing non-liquid assets, such as a family business, can be problematic. In that situation, the court may allow one spouse to keep the property and pay the other spouse an equalization judgment. Crider versus Crider considers how a court can ensure that the equalization judgment gets paid. Christina and Jeff Crider married in 1992. Christina was primarily a stay-at-home mom, and Jeff ran a road construction business, Crider and Crider Incorporated, with his dad and brother. Jeff owned roughly 42% of the corporation's stock, comprised of voting and non-voting shares. Jeff was also a stakeholder in several other family businesses organized as LLCs. After more than a decade of marriage, Christina filed for divorce. Jeff's closely held business interests made it difficult to value his net worth. He earned a $72,000 salary, but he earned much more in distributions from the businesses, supporting a lavish lifestyle. At a hearing, the couple clashed over how much Jeff's business interests were worth. For example, the couple's expert witnesses used different methodologies to value Crider and Crider's heavy machinery. The experts also differed on whether the company's value should be offset by the millions of dollars in pensions it owed to workers. Ultimately, the trial court selected a valuation within the range presented by the experts. Considering Jeff's business interests and real estate, the trial court placed Jeff's net worth at $11 million. The trial court split the marital estate evenly, awarding each spouse roughly $5.5 million. Because most of the marital assets weren't liquid, the trial court ordered Jeff to make an equalization payment to Christina of $4.7 million. The court provided Christina with mechanisms to enforce the equalization judgment. If Jeff didn't pay within 90 days, Christina would receive a security lien on a share of Jeff's business interests. If Jeff didn't pay within 180 days, Christina would automatically take control of the business interests. The court also ordered Jeff to pay Christina's attorney fees if Christina required assistance collecting the judgment. Jeff didn't pay, and the trial court enforced the judgment. Jeff appealed to the Indiana Court of Appeals. The court addressed numerous issues, but will focus on valuing the marital estate and enforcing the equalization judgment.